Hello students, today I am going to discuss problems on Gauss backward formula. So coming to the first problem, so we have to evaluate f of 32 by using Gauss forward formula for the following table. Okay, so here the x values are 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45 and the corresponding y values are 354, 332, 291, 260, 231 and 204. So once again here also we have to choose x naught. Since 32 lies between 30 and 35, in generally we can choose the right side value of 32 as x naught in Gauss backward formula. So whereas in Gauss forward formula, in generally we can choose the left side value as x naught. Okay, so since this is Gauss backward formula, so that we can choose the right side value of 32 as x naught. So coming to the solution, let x naught is equal to 35. Now we have to find u. U is equal to x minus x naught by h. This is the formula for u. This is equal to, here x is nothing but the value what we have to find, that is 32, should be treated as x, minus x naught is 35 by h, so the interval of difference is 5. Okay, this is equal to minus 3 by 5, which is equal to minus 0.6. So this is the value of u. So after that we have to construct the central difference table. So I am constructing central difference table. Right. So in this table, the first column is values of x. So coming to the second column, values of y or f of x. Here the values of x are 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. These are the values of x. Okay. Corresponding y values are 354, 332, 291, 260, 231 and 204. So now we have to find the first differences, delta f of x. Okay, so 332 minus 54 gives minus 22. 291 minus 332 gives minus 41. 260 minus 291 gives minus 31. Next, 231 minus 260 gives minus 29. And finally 204 minus 231 gives minus 27. So these are the first differences. Okay, so coming to the second differences, delta square f of x. Minus 41, minus of minus means plus, plus 22. So gives minus 19. Next, minus 31 plus 41 gives 10. Minus 29 plus 31 gives 2. And minus 27 plus 29 also gives 2. So these are the second differences. So coming to the third differences, delta cube f of x is equal to 10 minus of minus means 10 plus 19, which is equal to 29. 2 minus 10 is equal to minus 8. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. These are the third differences. So coming to the fourth differences, minus 8 minus 29 is equal to minus 37. And 0 minus of minus 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. And finally, fifth difference, delta power 5 f of x is equal to 8 minus of minus 8 plus 37, which is equal to 45. Okay, so these are the values in the respective differences. So since we have chosen x naught by 35, so that we have to write the value of 35 as x naught, and the values below x naught should be named as x1 and x2, and the values below or above x naught should be named as x suffix minus 1, x suffix minus 2, and x suffix minus 3. Okay, once again, since we have chosen that x naught by 35, so the values below x naught should be named as x1, x2, and so on, and the values above x naught should be treated as x suffix minus 1, x suffix minus 2, x suffix minus 3, and so on. Okay, and the corresponding y values are, this is y suffix minus 3, this is y suffix minus 2, this is y suffix minus 1, this is y naught, this is y1, and finally this is y2. So coming to the first differences, since the first value in f of x is y suffix minus 3, so the first value in the first difference should be delta f of minus 3. Okay, and this is delta f of minus 2, and this is delta f of minus 1, and this is delta f of 0, and finally this is delta f of 1. Okay, so these are the names of the first differences. So coming to the second differences, this is delta square f of minus 3. Since the first value in f of x is y suffix minus 3, so the first value in every difference should be f of minus 3. Okay, so the next one is delta square f of minus 2, and this is delta square f of minus 1, and this is delta square f of 0. Okay, coming to the third differences, this is delta cube f of minus 3. So this is delta cube f of minus 2, and this is delta cube f of minus 1. And coming to the fourth differences, this is delta power 4 f of minus 3, and this is delta power 4 f of minus 2, and finally the last value is delta power 5 f of minus 3. Okay, now we have to write the Gauss backward interpolation formula. So we have Gauss backward interpolation formula is Gauss backward interpolation formula. Okay, I am writing the formula. So since we are having up to fifth difference in the difference table, so that we have to write the formula up to fifth difference. So that I am writing f of u is equal to f of 0 plus uc1 into delta f of minus 1 plus u plus 1 c2 into delta square f of minus 1 plus u plus 1 c3 into delta cube f of minus 2 plus u plus 2 c4 into delta power 4 f of minus 2 plus u plus 2 c5 into delta power 5 f of minus 3 plus and so on. Okay, so I am writing the formula up to fifth difference only, since in the difference table we are having up to fifth difference, so that we have to write up to fifth difference only, right? Now coming to the values in the formula, so the first value in the formula is f of 0. Here f of 0 is nothing but y naught. So y naught can also be treated as f of 0. Okay, so this is the first value. So after that we require delta f of minus 1. So here it is delta f of minus 1. Okay, I have rounded that value. And after that we want delta square f of minus 1. So this is delta square f of minus 1. And after that we want delta cube f of minus 2. So that is delta cube f of minus 2. And delta power 4 f of minus 2. The next value is delta power 4 f of minus 2. And finally we want delta power 5 f of minus 3. So this is delta power 5 f of minus 3. So after rounding the values, we have to draw arrow marks. Okay, in order to identify those terms very easily. Okay, right. Okay, I have represented the arrow marks. So now substitute those values in the given formula. Okay, I am substituting the values. So this is equal to f of 0 is nothing but 260 plus uc1. We are having the u value by minus 0.6. Okay, here uc1 is nothing but u. So first you have to write u, and delta f of minus 1 is minus 31. So that I am writing into minus 31 plus. So u plus 1 c2 means we have to reduce. We have to write the two factors in the numerator by subtracting one from the each factor, starting with u plus 1. It means we have to write u plus 1 into u by 2 factorial into delta square. So the value of delta square is 2. Okay, plus u plus 1 c3. U plus 1 c3 can be written as u plus 1 into u into u minus 1 by 3 factorial into delta cube. So delta cube, the value of delta cube is minus 8 plus u plus 2 c4. So once again you have to start with u plus 2, and once again you have to subtract 1 from each factor. So it means we get u plus 1 into u minus 1 by 4 factorial into delta power 4. So the value of delta power 4 is 8. And finally, we have to write u plus 2 c5. It means u plus 2 into u plus 1 into u minus 1 into u minus 2 by 5 factorial into delta power 5. So the value of delta power 5 f of minus 3 is 45. So that we have to write 45 here. Okay. So and once again we have to substitute the value of u by minus 0.6. So once again I am substituting. So 260 plus minus 0.6 into minus 31 plus minus 0.6 plus 1 means 0.4 into u is minus 0.6 into, so this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. 2 factorial and 2 gets cancelled. And after that, next term u plus 1, once again we have to write 0.4 into u is minus 0.6 and u minus 1 is minus 1.6 by 3 factorial is nothing but 6 into minus 8. And after that we have to write u plus 2. It means, so minus 0.6 plus 2 means 1.4 into 0.4 into minus 0.6 into minus 1.6. By 4 factorial. So 4 factorial is nothing but 24 into 8. And finally u plus 2, once again 1.4, u plus 1, so 0.4, u minus 0.6, u minus 1 minus 1.6, u minus 2 minus 2.6. So by 5 factorial means 120 into 45. So I have substituted all the values in the formula, and after simplification we get f of 32 is equal to, and that particular value is approximately equal to 276.99104. Okay, so this is the value of f of 32 by Gauss backward interpolation formula. So coming to the second problem. So in this problem we have to find the value of y at x is equal to 1.91. Okay, once again by using Gauss backward formula. So here we are having the x values as 1.7, 1.8, 1.9. So 2, 2.1 and 2.2, and the corresponding y values are also given. So first of all we have to choose x0. So here 1.91 lies in between 1.9 and 2. In generally we can choose the right side value of 1.91 as x0. Okay, but that is not compulsory. We can choose any of the value as x0. Here I am choosing that x0 is equal to 1.9. Okay, in generally we have to choose the right side value of 1.91 as x0, but here I am choosing that 1.9, that means the left side value as x naught. Okay, so you can choose any value, either the left side value or the right side value as x naught. Okay, in generally we have to choose right side value. Okay, right, here I am choosing that x naught is equal to 1.9. So if you have any doubt, some of you may try by choosing x naught by 2. Okay, so then also the answer should be the same, right? So I am choosing x naught by 1.9. So after choosing x naught, we have to find u. U is equal to x minus x naught by h. This is equal to, so the value of x is 1.91 minus 1.9 by h. So the interval of difference is 0.1. Okay, 0.1 is difference. So this is equal to, so 1.91 minus 1.9 means we get 0.01 by 0.1. So use 0.1. So this is the value of u. So after that we have to construct the central difference table. So central difference table. Central difference table. Okay. So coming to the first column, so this is x. The second column is f of x. So now note down the values of x: 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, 2, 2.1, and 2.2. Okay, and the corresponding f of x values are 5.4739, 6.0496, 6.6850, 6859, this is 9, and 7.3891, and this is 8.1662, and 9.0250. So these are the values of f. Okay, so now we have to find the first differences. So delta f of x. Okay, so 6.0496 minus 5.4739 gives 0.5757. Okay, and the next value is 0.6363. Okay, and coming to the next value, that is 0.7032. So on subtracting 7.3891 minus 6.6859 gives 0.7032. And after that we get 0.7771. And finally we get 0.8588. Okay, so on subtracting 9.0250 minus 8.1662 gives 0.8588. So once again you have to check with your calculator whether the answers, whether the differences should be correct or not. Okay, ma? Right, coming to the second differences, delta square f of x. Just I am writing the answers, so but once you have to check it. So coming to the second differences, and the second differences are 0.0606, and the next one is 0.0669. The next one is 0.0739, and the next one is 0.0817. So these are the second differences. So similarly, third differences. So coming to the third differences, so 0.0063, this is the first one, and the next one is 0.007. This is the second one, and the third one is 0.0078. So these are the third differences. So coming to the fourth differences, delta power 4 f of x. So the first one is 0.0007, and the next one is 0.0008. And coming to the last value, that is delta power 5 f of x. This is 0.0001. Okay, So since we have chosen the value of x, that is 1.9 as x naught, so this is x naught. So the values below x naught should be treated as x1, x2, x3, and the values above x naught should be treated as x sub x minus 1 and x sub x minus 2. So whenever this is x sub x minus 2, the first value corresponding to the x sub x minus 2 is y sub x minus 2. Okay, this is y sub x minus 2. Whenever this is y sub x minus 2, the first value in the first difference should be delta f of minus 2. Okay, and the first value in the second difference should be delta square f of minus 2. I am not writing all the names, and I am writing the names of some terms. Okay, so coming to this term, that means in the third difference second term. So the name of the second term in third difference is delta cube f of minus 1. Okay, since the first value is f of minus 2, so the second value is f of minus 1. Okay, so now we have to write the formula, Gauss backward formula. So Gauss backward formula is Gauss backward formula is, so f of u is equal to f of 0 plus uc1 into delta f of minus 1 plus u plus 1 c2 into delta square f of minus 1 plus u plus 1 c3 into delta cube f of minus 2 plus u plus 2 c4 into delta power 4 f of minus 2, and finally u plus 2 c5 into delta power 5 f of minus 3 plus and so on. Okay, so since we are having up to the fifth difference, so that we have to write the formula up to fifth difference. Once again we have to simplify the formula. F of 0 plus uc1 is u into delta f of minus 1. U plus 1 c2 can be written as u plus 1 into u by 2 factorial, means 2 into delta square f of minus 1, and u plus 1 c3 can be written as u plus 1 into u minus 1 by 3 factorial, means 6 into delta cube f of minus 2 plus u plus 2 into u plus 1 into, so u into u minus 1 by 4 factorial. 4 factorial is nothing but 24 into delta power 4 f of minus 2, and finally u plus 2 c5. So u plus 2 into u plus 1 into, so u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 by, so 5 factorial is nothing but 120 into delta power 5 f of minus 3. Okay, so now we have to round the values in the table. So first I require f of 0. So the value corresponding to x naught is the value of f of 0. So that we have to round the value 6.6859. After that we require delta f of minus 1. So the second value in the first difference should be the value of delta f of minus 1. So we have to round it. And after that we want delta square f of minus 1. Once again the second value in the second difference should be delta square f of minus 1. And after that we want delta cube f of minus 2. So the first value in the third difference should be the delta cube f of minus 2. Okay, and after that delta power 4 f of minus 2. So the first value in the fourth difference should be the delta power 4 f of minus 2 and delta power 5 f of minus 3. So in the table we are not having the value of delta power 5 f of minus 3. Okay, so this is the value of delta power 5 f of minus 2 only. But we are not having delta power 5 f of minus 3 in the given table. Okay, so that we have to write up to fourth difference only. Okay, so now we have to draw the arrow marks. So in order to identify the values easily. Okay, so now we have to substitute these values in the formula. So this is equal to so f of 0. So the value of f of 0 is 6.6859. 6859 plus, so the value of u is 0.1 into, so delta f of minus 1 is 0.7032 plus, once again u plus 1 means 1.1 into u is 0.1 by 2 factorial is 2 into delta square. So the value of delta square is 0.0669 from the table plus u plus 1, once again 1.1 into u 0.1 and u minus 1 means minus 0.9 by, so 6 into delta cube, the value of delta cube is 0.007 and coming to the next term, that is u plus 2, so 2.1 into u plus 1, 1.1 into u, so 0.1, u minus 1 minus 0.9 by 24 into delta power 4, so that is 0.0007. Okay, since we are not having delta power 5 f of minus 3, so we need not to write that particular term. We have to write up to fourth term. And on simplification, we get the value of f of 1.9 as f of 1.9 is equal to, so 6.753094. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, so I have given you two problems. So we have to solve those two problems by using Gauss backward interpolation formula. So in the third problem, you have to find the sales in the year 1936. Okay, it means we have to find the value of y corresponding to the value of x, that is 1936. And coming to the fourth problem, we have to find the value of root 12,516 by using Gauss backward formula. Okay, right. Thank you.